Hi everyone! In this video, we'll explore how Ouroboros ARQ builds a hyper-realistic mini car parking from scratch. From scaled tools to real construction techniques, you'll see every tiny detail brought to life. Stay tuned and watch this miniature masterpiece come together. Before starting a real construction project, it is essential to make a scale model so that both architects and clients can visualize the project in 3 dimensions. Ouroboros ARQ represents these constructions to perfection, showing the techniques, materials, and scales used. This process is essential for constructing buildings, houses, car parking, etc., to ensure that the real construction is as efficient as possible and, above all, safe for people. The first crucial step is to set up a solid base for the mini car parking. A sturdy base will ensure a firm and solid construction, as it must support the weight of the entire construction. Beams are critical components of a structure's foundation, providing essential support and stability. Foundation beams help to distribute loads evenly throughout the structure, preventing uneven settlement. It connects different parts of the structure, creating a cohesive and stable base. In general, foundation beams are critical to the integrity and longevities of any structure. Ouroboros ARQ does such a precise job, taking care of details, such as using scaled tools. To use these tools correctly, great skill and patience are essential. Formwork panels are the molds with which the foundation structure of any construction is created. The release agent is used to facilitate the separation of the concrete from the formwork once it has set. The formwork can be made of different materials, such as wood, steel, aluminum, plastic, or prefabricated systems. It is very important to note that the formwork joints must be capable of preventing grout leakage. Now, it is time to add the concrete to the base of our structure. Properly mixed concrete ensures the foundation is both stable and realistic. A good foundation is essential in a car parking to support the weight of the vehicles and the structure itself. Now, it's time to talk a bit about Ouroboros ARQ and get to know them better. Ouroboros ARQ are craftsmen who are able to carry out any type of construction with their hands. With a blend of creativity and engineering skills, Ouroboros ARQ transforms simple ideas into stunning scale models. Each creation reflects their deep understanding of materials and construction techniques. Don't forget to visit their channel where you will be impressed with their amazing projects. Now, it is time to start placing the mini blocks in the building. Building with mini blocks allows for precise designs, making every project a unique masterpiece. To create cement, we need limestone and clay, which creates essential oxides for the mixture to be efficient. Moistening the wall will ensure better adhesion of the concrete and facilitate its uniform application. Making good reinforced concrete beams is a complicated task, but it is essential for them to do their job well. Reinforced concrete beams effectively control cracking, prolonging the service life of the structure. We could define reinforced concrete beams as the skeleton of any construction, as they will be in charge of supporting the weight of the whole structure. Now, it is time to start work on the first floor of the car parking. Polyurethane foam is used for multi-level structures, as it helps to improve stability without adding excessive weight. This lightweight foam expands on application, filling gaps and providing a strong seal against air and water. This cement layer helps distribute the weight of vehicles evenly, preventing structural stress and damage. It takes 3 to 5 days for the concrete to be completely dry and hard. Once this time has been passed, we can confirm that it is safe to remove the formwork. Some of the common materials for creating scale models of parking are foam, board, cardboard, and plastic. But Ouroboros ARQ uses the same materials in all its projects as in real constructions. Applying the same methods to the ramp guarantees it can support vehicle weight, just like the main floors. It is important that the molds are made to a suitable scale so that they can support the weight they will carry. Car park models are valuable teaching tools in architecture and urban planning courses. As they help to identify potential design problems before construction begins. Well-detailed models are powerful tools for making effective presentations to clients and stakeholders. Scale construction combines art and engineering and requires both creativity and technical know-how. Now, it is time to start with the details of the car parking. A good representation of every corner is crucial for the final result to be as accurate as possible. That's why Ouroboros ARQ takes care of every detail by hand. An electrical installation is provided on the roof of each floor that includes all the elements required for proper operation. Plaster is applied to walls to provide a smooth, even surface, perfect for painting or decorating. It is relatively easy to apply and dries quickly, which speeds up the construction process. Ensuring that all walls have a layer of plaster will make the result much more realistic. Adding a layer of asphalt is essential in the construction of a car parking area. Asphalt is a durable paving material, valued for its smooth finish and ability to withstand heavy traffic. Parking stickers and signs are crucial to guide drivers and ensure traffic flow and safety. These stickers and panels should be reflective in order to attract the attention of the driver. It is advisable to lay the surface of the stairs in wood as it is sticky and prevents slipping. As we have mentioned before, even being a scale recreation, Ouroboros ARQ takes care of every detail. The realistic touches, like stickers and signage, make this model come to life, reflecting real-world functionality. Attention to the smallest details, like textures and finishes, truly enhances the authenticity of this build. Let's put the parking to the test and see how smoothly a toy car navigates through the structure. We hope you enjoyed this DIY project from start to finish. And remember, if you liked this video, don't forget to visit Ouroboros ARQ's channel. There you'll find more incredible projects.